Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. The effectiveness of long serves in table tennis. Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Long serves can be a dominant strategy for amateur table tennis players, especially at lower levels. In this post, we explore why long serves are effective and how to execute them effectively. Changing my mind on long serves. As a coach, I often heard that you should not use long serve in table tennis. The coach often discouraged players from using too many long serves in a match, as they were seen as too risky and easier to attack. Instead, I advised them to mainly use short or half-long serves, which were harder to attack. However, I have come to realize that this advice is better suited for higher-level players against good attacking opponents. At lower levels, where opponents are more defensive and passive, long serves can be very effective. Long serves are effective at higher levels. To good quality, long serves can also be very effective at the high amateur levels and even at the professional level against some opponents. Long serve is the best serve if your opponent can't finish the point. Think about that. With the bigger ball, you can serve a fast and long serve. What is a good long serve? A good long serve should be fast, low over the net, bounce close to the opponent's baseline, be placed in a corner or to a player's elbow, and be disguised. Additionally, long serves with different spins, such as top spin, side top, side back, back spin, or no spin, can also be effective. To execute a fast, long serve, the first bounce should be very close to your end of the table, and the second bounce should be close to your opponent's end of the table. It is important to get the first bounce very close to your end of the table, allowing the ball to clear the net and come back down on the other side. If the first bounce is too close to the net, the ball will likely end up in the net. The second bounce should be close to your opponent's end of the table to make it more difficult for them to return. If your long serves are too slow, bouncy, or short, they can be easy to attack by a player of any standard. In conclusion, long serves can be a very effective tactic in amateur table tennis, especially at lower levels. When executed properly, they can give opponents nightmares and turn the game in your favor.
这是看看丁宁的发球能不能在 出手这一刹那才决定球啊。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.